Welcome to Metallurgical Academy YouTube channel, friends. Coming to the day 3 MCQ topic. Today we will selected extractive metallurgy topic. Coming to the questions. The first question was the product of the blast furnace is called. Here the options was given: steel, wrought iron, pig iron and cast iron. We know that steel will be produced from iron. Here the content of carbon will be less than 2% in a steel. Wrought iron means it is the purest form of iron. Here the carbon percentage will be maximum 0.25 percentage, minimum 0.08 percentage. And pig iron means here the carbon percentage will be around 3.6 to 4.7. Blast furnace will be used to produce pig iron and cast iron will be produced by cupola furnace. So here the answer will be pig iron. Coming to explanation, pig iron is produced in blast furnace. Here the smelting of iron ore is done in a blast furnace using high carbon fuel as a reductant. Means coke is used as a fuel to reduce iron ore with the help of limestone. Limestone will be act as a flux. Flux is used to make the gang to form a slag. This is why flux will be used to make the gang will be converted into slag and melting point will be reduced. And coming to the steel and cast iron will be difference will be maximum carbon percentage. Based on carbon percentage we can distinguish steels and cast irons. If it is steel, then the carbon percentage will be less than 2%. If it is a cast iron, it will be more than 4%, friends. Coming to the second question, which is the purest form of iron? In the previous question we know that wrought iron will have a purest form. Coming to the differences between wrought iron, cast iron and steel, here the composition differences were wrought iron will have maximum 0.25% of carbon and cast iron will have 2 to 4% of carbon and steel will be less than 2%. Melting point will be 1500 degrees centigrade for wrought iron. If the carbon percentage is low, then if the material is pure, then the melting point will be high, friends. Here wrought iron is highest purified metal, so the melting temperature is 1500. Coming to the cast iron, it is the 1200 degrees centigrade. Cast iron will be completely liquid at around 4.2 something carbon percentage, it will be completely melted. Coming to the steel melting temperature will be 1300 to 1400 centigrade, friends. Hardness cannot be hardened or tempered. Wrought iron will not be hardened or tempered, friends. And cast iron will be hardened by heating and sudden cooling. Steels can be hardened and tempered. Coming to the properties, compressive strength of wrought iron will be 2 tons per square centimeter, friends, and ultimate tensile strength will be this 3.15 tons per square centimeter and remaining will be this. Please follow the slide. Coming to the next question, which of the following is not an ore of aluminum? Here options will be given: cryolite, epsomite, bauxite, corundum. We know that cryolite is a aluminum ore, bauxite is aluminum ore, corundum is aluminum ore. Here the answer will be epsomite. These are the chemical compositions of the bauxite: Al2O3, 2H2O, diaspore, cryolite, corundum, alunite, feldspar, mica. Coming to the next question, blister copper is a pure copper, ore of copper, alloy of copper, impure copper. Blister copper is a impure copper, friends. This is the why it is called as a blister copper means blister copper is an impure form of copper having a blister like surface due to release of gas during cooling. Coming, thank you. Yeah, coming to the next question. Percentage of silver in the German silver means 0, 20, 90, 50 friends. Here the answer for this question will be option A. Here percentage of silver in the German silver. Percentage of silver in the German silver will be 0 friends. Here this is the analysis of the German silver. German silver is a copper alloy with nickel and zinc. Here formation of German silver will be 60% copper, 20% nickel and 20% zinc friends. Here silver will be 0. Thank you for watching friends. If you like this video, please share it to your friends and subscribe Metallurgical Academy YouTube channel friends. Thank you for watching.